To get started with Monday.com groups, first understand what they are and how they can benefit your workflow. Monday.com groups are a way to organize your team members and control their access to various boards and items within your workspace. Begin by navigating to the admin section of your Monday.com account, where you can manage your groups. Click on the Groups tab and then click on the New Group button to create a group. Give your group a name and add a description to help others understand its purpose. Next, add members to your group by selecting them from the list of available team members. You can also assign a group admin who will have the ability to manage the group and its members. Once you have created your group, you can start assigning it to various boards and items within your workspace. This will control what your team members can see and do within those boards and items. For example, you can create a group for your marketing team and assign them to your marketing board. This will give them access to all the items and information within that board, while restricting access to other teams. Best practices for using Monday.com groups include keeping your groups organized and up to date, using clear and descriptive names for your groups, and regularly reviewing the access and permissions of your groups. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Monday.com groups to streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and increase productivity. Monday.com groups provide a powerful way to manage access and permissions within your workspace, and can help you get the most out of your Monday.com account.